Photogrammetry is the science of creating 3D models from 2D photographs. Here's how it works. You take multiple photos of an object from different angles, and specialized software analyzes the overlapping areas to calculate depth and build a 3D mesh. Think of it how your two eyes create depth perception, but with dozens or hundreds of eyes as your camera positions. We're using Meshroom for 3 big reasons. It's completely free and open source. It's powered by Alice Vision, professional-grade photogrammetry software. It has a visual node-based interface that helps you understand the process. The only catch? You need an NVIDIA graphics card, but if you have that, you're ready to create professional 3D scans. Over this 10-video series, you'll learn how to photograph small, medium, and large objects, architectural facade techniques, drone photogrammetry basics, the complete Meshroom workflow, troubleshooting and export. By the end, you'll be creating museum-quality 3D scans. Download Meshroom from alicevision.org, and I'll see you in the next video where we cover photographing small objects. Let's get scanning.